and they're growing so massive, so well, and they also producing well. This one is surely 6 feet tall. Look at this one right here. This one is definitely over 6 feet tall and comfy. So all these bell pepper plant, guys, is growing so beautiful. And guess what? Remember, these things plant 12 inches deep. So could you imagine from 12 inches deep comes up, and still we at 7 feet at this moment. We also getting some real beautiful pepper growing at the same time. Yeah, we also have some yeah. So guys, these are some massive bell pepper trees. The seeds come from an 8-foot bell pepper tree. Man, look at this thing here. And these, you could naturally see how these growing. These growing really nice as well. So guys, this is what we call growing massive bell pepper trees. And I've been giving you guys all the update because I want you guys to see and understand that it's possible. It's possible. When I start harvesting bell pepper, my goodness, I don't know. This is a lot of bell pepper plant. This is a lot, and so far I'm seeing so many bell peppers coming out. Guys, this is something. What I was doing today, I was actually staking, adding more stake, because it's definitely worth the time. Because you see this one here, look at this one here. If you don't stake this limb, you're gonna lose this limb and all these pepper going up there. So it's really, I keep saying this over and over, at least all my videos I keep saying it, because I understand how important it is to stake in your pepper plant. This, okay. That's a stake right there to stake these pepper here. Have you ever seen 8-foot bell pepper tree before? Have you ever seen a 7-foot bell pepper tree before? Well, I'm showing it to you live from Planter Garden TV. This is not no editing. This is direct. A pepper tree from down there pushing itself all the way to the top. That's a bell pepper tree, guys. All right, so I have to push up my hand. It's over my head at this point. I have to push up my head. So this one is already 7 foot tall, guys. Already heading for 8 feet. This one, you see, I think I might just have to tie you here for what I see going on here, because you is just dancing. You see what's going on here, guys? Watch. This is exactly what I'm talking about. You see, it rained last night. What happened? It popped the limb. This is exactly what I'm talking about. If you don't stake. So this is why I keep singing so much about staking your pepper plant. Staking your pepper plant. It's so important. This is a prime example. Losing a whole limb. You lose a whole limb, and on this limb, you could have get other pepper plants growing from this limb. This limb could have produced